Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials: clean hands, flat surface, and all tools at hand so you don't interrupt the flow. First, wipe the screen with the provided wet wipe, then dry with the microfiber cloth. This removes oils that cause bubbles. Use the dust removal tape on any remaining specks. Dust is the main cause of defects. Once done, line up the protector over the phone without peeling the backing. Make sure hole cutouts match camera and sensors before proceeding. You now perform the critical alignment step. Peel back only the bottom half of the backing, exposing the adhesive while keeping the top edge intact. This gives control and reduces dust exposure. Align the exposed edge to the phone's top or camera cutout, then attach alignment stickers if available. This prevents shifting. Slowly lower the rest of the protector toward the screen, pressing gently from center outward to adhere and push air and bubbles toward the edges for removal. You finish by removing any small bubbles. Use a plastic card or squeegee and push firmly from center to edges. Larger bubbles usually disappear after a day. If dust is trapped, lift the nearest edge slowly. Use a piece of tape to pick the particle off, then reseat that area. This preserves alignment and adhesive. Make sure touch sensitivity works and clean edges with the microfiber cloth. Give the protector about 24 hours to bond fully for best durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.